White teeth, healthy gums, fresh breath, and free from cavity. That's what Toothbrush can do for you. Do you brush your teeth every day? And which brand of toothbrush do you use? Nowadays, good oral hygiene is an accepted part of almost everyone's daily routine. Toothbrush is very important to everyone's daily life regardless of which brands it belongs to because it helps cleans and whitens our teeth to prevent bad breath, and it also boosts our confidence to smile. But how did someone get the idea that putting straws on a stick make your teeth healthy? Do you ever wonder about how people in ancient times kept their teeth from rotting? So for today's video, you will get to see where the idea of toothbrush came from and how it is made just for you. Humans have been cleaning their teeth for thousands of years. In fact, during the 5000 BC, the ancient Egyptians used a powder made from ox hooves and eggshells to scrub their teeth. And in the same period, the Greeks and Romans used toothpicks to clean their teeth. In fact, they are still common today in Africa, but these were chew sticks and toothpicks and not actual toothbrushes. And about 800 years ago in China during Tang Dynasty, the first bristle toothbrush was found. So in one way, the Chinese invented the first proto-toothbrushes by attaching coarse boar or horse tail hairs to bamboo or ivory handles. In the Middle Ages, the Chinese couldn't keep it secret for long. In 1223, a Japanese Zen master witnessed monks in China using these brushes to clean their teeth. Travelers then brought the bristle toothbrush from China to Europe, and it spread throughout the continent. And in late 1700s, William Otis of England was thrown in jail for causing a riot. While in prison, Otis ruminated over the effectiveness of the traditional way people were cleaning their teeth by running a rag with soot and salt on the teeth. Using a small animal bone from his meal, he drilled small holes into it, obtained bristles from a guard, tied them into tufts for the holes, and held it all together with wire. Once he was released from prison, he mass-manufactured the toothbrush and became a very wealthy man. The company still exists today under the name of Wisdom Toothbrushes. And in 1938, though Otis may have physically constructed the toothbrush, our modern toothbrush, as you know, does not consist of animal hairs. The DuPont company is responsible for switching to synthetic, typically nylon fibers, which held up much better and didn't retain the bacteria animal bristles did. And in 21st century, the modern toothbrush consists of a handle made of thermoplastic materials and nylon bristles arise. So now you come to know how even smallest of the smallest part in our life was made. The raw materials of a typical toothbrush include a plastic handle, a rubber grip attached with adhesive, and nylon bristles. Toothbrush handles are usually made from a type of plastic called copolyester, which can withstand the effects of mint oil on most plastics and is safe for toothpaste. In a single day, a toothbrush manufacturing plant could generate at least 15,000 toothbrushes and utilize 204 kilowatt-hours of electricity. Per toothbrush, this equates to 0.13 kilowatt-hours. The most critical phase, injection molding, accounts for 89% of the whole process. Injection molding machines utilize a lot of energy because of the heat zones, which are the machine's essential component and are responsible for changing the shape of the plastics. Today's toothbrushes should make you want to flash your pearly whites in appreciation if you consider that thousands of years ago people used twigs to clean their teeth. Today's toothbrush begins as little plastic pellets. A vacuum sucks them up into an injection mold machine. The machine mounts the pellets into a kind of plastic dough that injects it into a stainless steel mold, forming 10 toothbrush handles at once. Here's the bristle selection process. The machine selects between 22 and 24 bristles for each hole in the brush, with 56 holes per toothbrush. That adds up to over 1,300 bristles for each brush. This fully automated system works faster than any human ever could, and here's another advantage. A human hand rarely has to touch the bristles, so the process is incredibly hygienic. Now it's time for a brush cut. These blades trim the bristles to about the same length. Another set of blades scalp in different types of edges depending on the toothbrush model in production. These may look like spinning tops, but they're rotating discs coated with diamond dust, a mild abrasive. They sand the edges of the bristles to produce a particular finish. For instance, the bristles can be straight or zigzagged. Different finishes have different tooth cleaning effect, and if the brush passes the test, the rest of the production run is cleared for sale. Then a robotic system packages the brushes so they come right off the line, ready for shipping and ready to maintain a toothy smile everywhere. After completing the manufacturing, these toothbrushes are packaged for shipment. Retailers collect their products from their dedicated shipments. Retailers finally sell these products to the audiences or customers of the market. So do you find toothbrush history and manufacturing distribution amazing? Have you learned something? Comment it below. Edited by Janelle Rapalda, Jessica Eugenio, Josel Caminos. Script by Maria Christine Nicole Sassy, Aileen Diaz, Abigail Graffi. Submitted to Ruby Lynn DeGrano.